Good morning, all. With much delay, here we are. It's 9:13. I didn't know audio was off. Let's get going through this first. Glad you guys are here. Got your note. You got my note. Looks like 11 people just showed up in this. Good. We the V3 status is the same as before. I sent you an email last night. As of right now, we don't have a contact with Microsoft yet. Neither has done nothing else. Just stand by to deal with a few errands around the house. But last time I recorded this happened, took 5 minutes. But you got to get the right guy. We did it 2 years ago. The problem is nobody took notes. That's the problem. Yeah, we were arranging all the procedures, so it can't happen again because we have more than one SSL. This is not a simple problem. So SSL is that little S after HTTP. Let's get to the charts. As I discussed without the microphone on, was that we are looking back at it. SPX. We look at where it was. Look at this. You can see the high was put in. Was way back here. Unlike NASDAQ, which broke up, I think it was June 4th here, that pulled up and was making new highs. Look at the advanced declines are showing. Just total disregard. Total bearish divergence. And broad thrust is heading down also. I think it's the beginning of rotation down. Here's very quickly, Canaries did not keep up. It's still not even close to the new highs. That should be another signal, albeit mildly. The trenders, we have a cross. That's very, very healthy. This is a birth cross. But reverse of that would have been a death cross. This is a death cross. You saw what happened. Now remember, this is half cycle out of phase, right? All moving averages are. So if you go back, you'll see. By the time you got this signal, it was too late. That's why some of the trend following systems, they have to adjust for that. They realize you're going to be behind a little bit. But there was enough evidence there that you should be, this support of the 200 bar Friday, you should have gotten short, and then it really went. Little divergence there. This is good long term. That's the transportation. That's a proxy for the economy, the condition of the economy. Okay, looks like for sorry. And Russell is a risk on, risk off. It has taken some risk off. I understand that. It has not gone to all-time high of 1742. What is Delta Bar test coming up? What are they? Look at the 50 bar. Okay. Somewhere here they're going to meet. That's the test we want to watch. This is crucial for NASDAQ. This is crucial for S&P. Here's our two mechanical systems. We don't abide by that all the time, but you could just signaling they're both on buy right now. Usually when you get this far out, there's this reversion. So I may be off a day or two. We'll see. My goal is to give on PMT, give it 1% tolerance. After that, I got to cut it off. We've done good. We don't want to give it back recently. We've done good. We went to a month between like May and June where the results were haphazard. There was a lot of false positives, but I think we've got more steady now. Remember, PMT, your market timing is a long horizon. You can't judge anybody for a couple of trades, good or bad. You should throw them out, the good ones actually. One good one, one of the best ones when you throw out, one lousy when you throw it out. Then you get statistically what's in that database, what that normally distributed data is, to ascertain, hey, do I want to follow this guy? Do I want to go along with him? What have you. Balls have come down, but it'll spike up. It's back down again on Friday. SQ. This is very alarming. I said that note to you guys. This is clearly a build of an M. Very different than this pattern here. Why? Look at the strength. Remember, we go by count of the sigmas, not the value. Crucial distinction. How did I learn that? Robert Wiley. Not Wiley. Whaley. Well, the hell, who is Robert Whaley? Oh, here's the guy who did Gesky and Whaley. The two other my professors at UCLA. These are the guys who finished the actual model. Okay. I had a question to him. on VIX. The value of the VIX, the same thing it said there too. It's not the value per se, it's the shape of the curve. Within itself, compared to itself, that vibration that you see, that's crucial distinction. Okay, these guys come on CNBC and say, "What's that for? You gotta do this." I'm just laughing my head. Like, okay, sure. But this intensity is a problem. To me, the big words have gone back to the SPX, deep out of the money. Okay, deep out of the money puts. So somewhere down here, I'll say that there. Somewhere in here, they're buying some puts in quantity you have not seen before. Why? Because it's a double dip. They bought here, now they're buying here. Remember, this is a tail risk. Yeah, bell curves have got two tails. I understand that. This is the downside risk. This is the tail risk on the downside. If you read the white paper, it tells you that. Okay. Now, I made a comment to this on CNBC, on Twitter. A lot of questions came in, and these are basically to those who were not on MSA. Did not get detailed analysis we had. What we had there was a tease. So last night, you missed all of this. I'm emailing these guys back, but that's okay. They asked for it, they got it. Let's go to TD, and then we're going to jump to futures. TD, this is at 72, come back. A little bit of an overbought. Talk to me after 75s. Okay, that's become really crucial. I don't know what this is. Hold on. Maybe about this. No. That's that. TD, okay. No, so yeah, TD slash SP2 scale. Yeah, I gotta look at what this scales down here. No worries. This is 3 months VIX. Yeah, that's 3 months. Yeah. Let me just make sure this is a correct one. 1 second. That's we're long August and short November. Yeah, but August should be done. Okay, so this is wrong. I told you. 1 second, we're gonna fix that. I'm not gonna show you wrong stale charts. Come on. Come on. Damn you. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna go with this, move that over so that becomes a U. SEP is up, SEP is 1 month. And then we go to Z, the D's, we call it the D's. That's it. Z. So this value should change. Look at the value at 1060. Hallelujah. There we go. That's where the true spread is. Yeah. Now that makes sense. Look at this book here. Okay. So what's the conclusion there? We're heading slower on this in the spread. That means that we are still near the top. Nowhere close to the bottom. For bottom, this has to go to 0. That's a long way. Okay. So this is way on the top and just pushing forward. I interpret that as the Fed. You don't fight the Fed. I may have to close my position too. You don't know. Right, here we go. Let's go to let's go through this first. Okay, what happened here overnight? We just did 230 minutes next to each other to see the asset, so that we have a longer view. See where our low was put in. Where are we now? Where are we now? Where was the low put in or high? And within a very strict, simple 30-minute sigma channels. The dashed line is 4th sigma. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is us. This is for us a simple way. If you have a trade session, you should do this. Simple way to measure the volatility we're in, the cycle of that volatility. Okay. So the low was above the close, low of the 3. Yeah, but yeah, pretty much. I mean, it covered the gap there. There was a gap here. It covered that, rotated, and moved, gone. Look how beautiful limits are. Hits the 3 sigma and pulls back. Never got to 4th. You're not going to see 4th sigma on the EFs. It's going to be a terrible day. Yeah. In that craziness to go there. Normally going through? No. the machines? No. Same thing's happening here on InView. There, plus, well, remember we talked about there's some webinars on Sigma channels. You just got to go to the educational webinars, you'll find them. These are the two limits that we look for. Sigma plus 1, plus 2. The higher your numbers are, the bars are, the longer the bars, more proper the data is. But still, even at 60 minutes, is within this channel, how beautiful, look at it, it jumps up. I mean, if you're looking for Holy Grail, this is a Holy Grail, period. Not simple, but it's there. And it repeats itself. That's a 2021. Okay. All right. No, now Murray, hold on. Something is off. So, put them in here, Jack. Hold on, one sec. No, that's fine. No, that's the yeah, that's the full session. Okay, yeah, I just want to make sure. Okay. Look, it pushed down almost to 3 sigma there, and then reversed. They bought it. Got some value. This was 9 in the morning. Well, this is Friday. So, yeah, this is into Friday. Now this is into Monday. All right, good. So this opened 6 p.m. No, 7 p.m. Yeah, that's right. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 7 p.m. That's right. Okay, so basically bullish pressure there. Fractals here. And we're getting up there, guys. We're getting up there. All right. No. Are we? Huh? What happened to the rest of the price here? Yeah, no, sorry. That's what the problem is. Okay, there we go. Okay. Sorry about that. What are we moving now for? So we can move this thing and see that. Oh, Murray. Oh, I didn't know that. Really? Now I can see that value is. Okay. Murray, and Murray. Okay, good. Okay. What are we up to? Okay. Yeah. I don't know that. Okay, we have a cost coming up here, guys. Be careful. Yeah, they may fake this in 4 minutes. Sorry, not faking. I'm not thinking everything Trump says. No, it's not. No. He's the plus ing means you making it. Yeah, exactly. Not here. Okay. High up here, 2. Okay, guys, I should be short. At least for the first hour. Let's see how that goes. But that's what it looks like. 17 to the ES. No, ES got a little more to go. We're not that high up on the CI for the big boys. The little guys are getting nervous a little bit. They're getting on the short side of the tab. Yeah, this is more a mixed bag. But ES usually is. NQ is a lot easier to trade than ES. I'll guarantee you. All right, guys. Any questions for me? Let me go. Remember, we don't have a chat room right now. All right. I agree with you. Yeah, Jerry. Yeah, he and his brother would do. Yeah, and somebody and his brother would do exactly. All right, guys. Let me wrap this up because Mark is opening up.